If you are already an online entrepreneur or you're a multi-passionate entrepreneur and you have maybe multiple products already in your value ladder, but you're still doing all the hustle, you're still doing all the work, you're still working all the hours, let me tell you that you need to add this. You need to add this into your offers, okay? I am Kellie-Ann. I'm an online business consultant and a coach, and 12 weeks ago I was absolutely suffering from Zoom fatigue, burnt out from all the one-to-one coaching, burnt out from all the consulting clients, just tired of being on the screen all the time, and really came to the revelation that the only way I was going to make more money is if I took on more clients, I worked more hours, or upped my prices, and I didn't want to do any of that. So if this sounds familiar to you, I want you to consider this. Have you thought about adding and creating a semi-passive income stream? Adding a semi-passive income stream into your existing business. So what that means is that you still continue to do what you do what you love, show up and serve, but you have an additional business operating on the side, almost independent of you, working for you 24/7, fully automated, reselling digital products that somebody else did for you. So you don't have to commit time to creating the product, you don't have to spend any money on development, and you don't have to be doing all the aggressive sales or onboarding or constant launching. This thing is done for you, business in a box. So if you're an existing entrepreneur, online entrepreneur, and you already know the space and you already know what it takes to grow a following and to just operate an online business, this would make sense for you, just like it did for me 12 weeks ago. I decided that I just wanted a way to make money without doing all the work. I wanted a business that was going to work for me without me working in it. It's worked out exceptionally well for me. I do about 90 minutes to 2 hours a day, an hour in the morning, maybe an hour at night, sometimes less. I'm not going to lie to you. I follow a proven blueprint. I have 4 done-for-you digital products that somebody else created that I resell, and I make 100% profit on it. The bonus is I'm not doing any sales. The business sells for you. Okay, it follows up for you. It does the hard selling for you, and it's automated. So, I'm at home and I'm making money when I'm Netflixing or sleeping or on vacation or driving down the highway. So if you're an online entrepreneur and you already know what it takes to start and run a business, this makes sense for you. You should really reach out to me, ask me a question, drop a comment if you want info on the program and the products that I've used to increase my income and have a semi-passive income stream, okay, without doing all the work. Bye.